Hello, and welcome to this video course on WordPress on-page SEO. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Brian. This is our first lesson, and today we're going to talk about the mindset because when starting this course, if you are in the wrong mindset, then even if you try to implement a few things from this course, it's ultimately going to hold you back. Things will not run smooth, or at least not the way you want them to run. In the past, we've seen that a specific mindset holds business owners back, and we don't want to see that happen to you. We want to see you succeed as much as possible. So, here's the right mindset. People make the assumption that every single SEO technique and rule change rapidly so that what works 10 years ago doesn't work now. Yes, to a certain extent. Search engine optimization does change rapidly every single month. However, at the same time, the basic fundamentals that Google and other search engines look for still hold true today. That still work today. So let me repeat that. Not everything has changed. In fact, the core of SEO is not changed. That's your mindset. Learn the basics and you're good to go. Because SEO might have changed, but if you get into the wrong mindset of, everything changes, everything that used to work 10 years ago doesn't work now, then you're putting yourself in a dangerous position simply because you'll forget the basics. You're forgetting the core. Now, there are a lot of basic fundamentals and SEO rules, but we're really going to focus on 5 factors. And I'll talk more about these later down the road. And we're going to be focusing on these factors that haven't changed, or if they have changed, they've only changed very slightly in the last decade. So, make sure that you're not in the wrong mindset. Otherwise, it will prevent you from actually moving forward. Alright, so here's what you're going to need. You're going to need to have a WordPress site. If you don't have a WordPress site, these fundamentals still hold true as well, but most of what I'm going to be showing you is how to implement these factors into your current WordPress site. You're also going to need to have a general keyword, a keyword that you want to rank on. And then, of course, you want to have a list of specific keywords related to that general keyword. And the reason why you want to have these in hand is because you're going to use these in your body tags, your title tags, your metadata tags, and even your images alt tag text. So, you're going to need access to content, which is a written text and or images to create your posts. To implement all that, you need to have a live WordPress site. Now, if you don't have all this information right now, that's fine, but you're definitely going to need it eventually. So, that's it for now. With that said, let's move on to our next lesson.